Did you know that for 40 years, American shoe stores used machines that slowly poison children? From the 1920s to the 60s, parents brought their kids to get fitted for shoes using X-ray machines called fluoroscopes. The machines let you see right through the shoe to the bones inside. Store clerks promised it would find the perfect fit. Children loved it. They'd stick their feet in over and over, watching their bones glow green on the screen. What they didn't know was horrifying. Each scan blasted them with radiation 575 times stronger than a chest X-ray. Kids used the machines like toys. Sales clerks operated them all day with no protection. Soon, store employees developed radiation burns on their hands. Customers started losing hair and getting skin damage. Scientists knew radiation was deadly, but the shoe industry buried the warnings. The machines sold too many shoes. By the time they were banned, 3 million children had been exposed. Years later, many developed foot cancers and bone defects, all for a better shoe fit.